She like the way that I wish. Yeah, she like clap for a nigga. She said clap for a nigga. And she throw it back for a nigga.
Last song. Let's get it.
Right now we go high, but now we're going higher.
We have all the accommodation sold out. There's a lot of vibe. We have comedians from Cameroon, like that one you've seen. There are comedians from Cameroon. We have so many Ugandan artists. We have over 600 artists that are going to begin tonight. There is vibe. There is vibe at the lake. We have a beach. We have a clinic here. We are only condemning our fellow Ugandans, our fellow Busoga boys